All right, guys, Mr. Jordan here again. Like I told you in the previous video, we were going to be learning about the whole rest, the half rest, and the quarter rest. If you notice up here, I already have the whole rest up there at the top. It kind of looks like a upside down top hat. I'm talking about this one right there. Right beside it, I have the words whole, W-H-O-L-E, rest, R-E-S-T, and it equals 4 beats of silence. And that's why you see I put shh, because whenever you see one of these in music, you're going to have to be quiet for a total of 4 beats. Shh. Right under that, you see the half rest, and this one looks like a regular top hat, the right side up, kind of the opposite of this one. The half rest right here, I have half, H-A-L-F, rest, R-E-S-T. This one is half of this one. So half of 4 is going to be 2. So instead of 4 beats of silence that the whole rest gets, it's going to be 2 beats of silence. And I just put shh beside it because it just means that you're going to be quiet for the duration of that rest. Finally, I told you that we will be looking at what's called the quarter rest. Now, I know you're thinking a quarter like the change. And it's good because, you know, music has a lot of different terms that have connections to things that we already know. But in this case, I'm not talking about the quarter that's 25 cents. I'm talking about this little squiggly, funny looking line that Mr. Jordan is going to draw now. This right here is called the quarter rest. So right beside that, I'm going to write quarter, which is Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, rest. Quarter rest is only 1 beat of silence. And just I'm going to put shh right beside it. 1 beat of silence. Okay, if you think about an actual quarter, if you have 1 quarter, that's 25 cents, or 1 beat of silence for music. If I have 2 quarters, that's 50 cents. 2 quarter rest in music equals 2 beats of silence, which is the half rest. If I have 3 quarters of change, that's 75 cents. And finally, if I have 4 quarters of change, that gives me a whole $1. Well, 4 of these quarter rests equals 1 whole rest, which is the upside down top hat that we started with. So once again, the whole rest, 4 beats of silence, shh. The half rest, 2 beats of silence, shh. And the quarter rest, 1 beat of silence, shh. All right, so I want you to practice trying to draw each of the 3, and you can even write the notes, not the notes, but write the words beside it, and definitely write how many beats that each one is supposed to get, okay? All right, take care, guys.